Hey guys, how's everyone doing? Thank you so much for clicking on this video. And in today's video, I'm doing an update. So I'll be taking you guys along and showing you all the new stuff that has been added to this house. So come along with me guys and let me know what you think in the comment section. So this is the garage. Last time I showed you this house, there wasn't any windows. So since the last time I've been here, the house has been rendered. The floor has been pinned down. Windows has been installed. So that's the kitchen. You can see the archway. This is the dining area. So this is a back porch. So you can leave from the dining area, come out, have a seat, chill. And that's the steps going down. So this is a laundry area. And the powder room. Well, it's not really a powder room, as a small shower will be installed. So you have the fixtures for the shower. Laundry area. And this is the living area. So those are the fixtures for the recessed lighting. So this is a bedroom. So closet space. bathroom. And this is another bedroom. I must say I like the black windows though. I like that look. Closet space. So this is the balcony. And it goes around to the master bedroom. So this is the master bedroom. And the reason why I did two windows to the side, to the corner of the room, is so that the bed will fit between the windows. So you don't have to worry about sun burning the headboard and all of that. So at least the TV can be on the wall. So everything is planned out. So this is the closet space. This is the master bath. So originally it was bigger than this, but some changes were made in the end. So this would be a sitting area. And of course you will have rails going around. So the master bathroom was made smaller to accommodate this room. And in this room now you have a bathroom, shower, you're gonna have a shower, face basin, toilet. And walk-in closet. So up next is the ceiling. So the ceiling will be installed soon. You'll have that drywall. So there we have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Stay tuned for my next video, guys.